Hello everyone. Let's live and work here in the United Arab Emirates. Here we go. This time we're going to go outside to play badminton with my friends and colleagues. Hello guys, if you are just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye for now. Hello guys, nandito ako sa Municipal Park ng Abu Dhabi City at kami ay maglalaro ng badminton, pero ang hangin pala, kaya ngayon we are planning na maglipat kami doon sa Madinat Zayed. Yes, ito ang mga kasamahan ko, hinihintay pa namin si Sir Arnel. Mag say hi kayo sa Pinas. Hello. Hindi, vlog to. It's not all about it. Ano? Basketball court. Basketball court. Oh.
Sir, may hangin nga doon sa loob ng basketball court.
Pumasok kayo doon.
Meet our players for today. They are all from Al Riyadh Charter School. Welcome to Abu Dhabi, UAE.
Go, go, go.
La Techi, nawawala ka, Techi. Where are you? Techi, where are you? Ayun.
Iglap na.
Para mga bagong salsa.
If you are dreaming to live and work here in the United Arab Emirates as a teacher, try to check out in the description box below. I'm gonna share there some links for you to apply.